Rats and mice are common pests that may invade your home while ruining food, causing property damage, and spreading disease. If you're dealing with rodents like rats or mice and want to drive them off your property, then check out Rodent Stopper RTU Spray Repellent. This product is a natural, non-toxic, ready-to-use spray that will control rodent infestations without the use of any poisons. This product works by irritating the animal's senses of smell, taste, and touch to provide harmless, humane animal control. Rodent Stopper is long-lasting, and one application will repel rats and mice from treated areas for up to 30 days. Rodent Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is ready to use with no other application tools necessary. Before you apply Rodent Stopper, identify the areas on your property that you want to protect. Look for rodent droppings, scratch or gnaw marks, signs of nesting, and grease marks on walls. Dark, oily grease marks along walls or fences indicate where rodents travel. To minimize direct contact with the product and to protect yourself from rodent waste material, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves, a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, a facial covering, and protective eyewear. Shake the bottle thoroughly, then set the adjustable nozzle from off to spray. Apply a fine mist to the areas you wish to treat and get an even coating. Take care not to over-apply. Apply Rodent Stopper RTU Spray Repellent indoors to baseboards, storage areas, and structure entry points, and apply outdoors where rodents are known to travel. When using near plants or crops grown for consumption, apply this product as a perimeter application. Allow 20 minutes for the product to dry, and reapply this product as needed every 30 days. Rodent Stopper RTU Spray Repellent can be used indoors and outdoors to prevent rats and mice from invading homes, yards, sheds, and garages. Spray this product around entryways and plants. Do not apply directly over plants grown for consumption, but you may apply this product around dormant fruit and nut trees. Use Rodent Stopper when rats or mice have been noticed around your property, or when signs of their activities such as bedding, nesting, or foraging have been observed. Rodent Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling any pest control product.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.